Beautiful day across Central Florida. Sure, we have some clouds, and we've even been watching some showers around. Let's look out to our tower cam perspective with those clouds around. Not too bad, though. Hold on. Dadgummit. Trying to pop around so I can show you different tower cams. That's looking out toward the Tavares area. It's lovely. Let me head to downtown. Yep, clouds around. Not a bad one, though. Here's a look at the satellite and radar. And you kind of see some of those showers, some heavier showers popping up around town. Not too bad, but we're watching a little bit of moisture. So keep that in mind for these next few hours' time. A little bit of lingering rain here or there as that front just kind of dies over top of us. Temperatures in the lower 80s and then upper 70s and then middle 70s. It's going to be a cloudy night. May even have a few showers hit or miss. Temperatures falling into the mid and upper range of the 60s. Here's the overall perspective. Showers lingering across Central Florida, continuing for your Friday and even continuing for your Saturday and for your Sunday. So let's do this. Let's look to our 7-day forecast. We will start there and then we will build on that theme, shall we? Showers here or there. Into the weekend, shower chances kind of dropping off just a little bit. And then for next week, not looking bad. And that also means, by the way, that Halloween is not looking too bad. Here's the updated Halloween forecast. Couple of clouds here or there. We're dropping that rain chance just a little bit, so that's something to keep in mind. Temperatures in the 70s. All right, it's not going to be cool. Latest model projections kind of put us in that mild stretch, so keep that in mind, okay? All right, let's talk about the tropics a little bit. There have been some interesting little predicaments coming together out there. First off, here's a look at kind of the overall perspective as it stands right now. There are two areas that we're monitoring with a moderate likelihood of development. Let me just kind of take you in a little bit, and you can see they're both along an old frontal boundary. This one's going to kind of lift up to the north. That's not a big deal there. This one is going to be interesting. You can see out near the ABC Islands, some decent convection there. So let's do this. What I want to do is pull together. I just had to rebrand another TV station, so I don't have it pulled up, of course. Okay, hi, there we are. Let's pull together some of the model data and check in on that, shall we? So this is the 12Z run. We were looking at the 6Z run on Coffee Talk this morning. There's that little guy lifting to the north. There's something else in the Caribbean, perhaps trying to get together. Not deepening too much, kind of fizzling around Jamaica, but a little piece of energy is there. And then watching here, this is where it kind of gets interesting. The model going out 250 hours tries to pull up a storm system. And this is, that's garbage on the model, if I'm honest. But it's trying to indicate something. So there's something interesting to watch there. And then after that, 360, 366, 372, 378, that's as far out as GFS goes, some lowering pressure there. Let's switch over to the European, if my mouse will work. 12Z run. And we'll roll through time. There's that little guy there doing its thing. A little something developing here in the Caribbean and also fading out. So that's in line with the GFS. Something kind of doing its thing. Oh, I went too far. Something kind of lifting up through Puerto Rico. So interesting stuff. Let's switch over, though, and look at the ensemble plots. Aha. Now, this is where it's going to get interesting. Ensembles, remember, think of this as the different flavors of each model, right? So let's just roll through time, and you got something there, you got something there. But watch what happens in here. The ensemble members always give you more of an idea than the operational models, I feel like. Models are throwing stuff around. Now, this is not like there's going to be 16 hurricanes or anything, but there's models showing stuff around us into early November. That's the GFS. Let's do this. We'll go back. We'll select the European. Oh, the European hasn't quite run yet. Let's go back to the 60 run just to get an idea. I don't even know that the 60 run's going to go far. Yeah, that's not going to go far enough out. We'll just eyeball the 0Z. This is going to be the 0Z. So this is from early this morning. But again, you can see there's stuff around. So the point that I'm trying... Yeah, that would not be... That one member, pow, bad. So anyway, what we're seeing here is just that early November, there's more than likely going to be something of note. All right, so just keep in mind, hurricane season is not over with just yet. All right, so we have to watch these things. So a couple of showers next couple of days, then staying nice and kind of warm late this weekend into early next week. All right, the very latest on your forecast with meteorologist Cam Tran and chief meteorologist Tony Manalfi starting at 4 on WESH 2 News. And I will see you right here tomorrow morning on on Coffee Talk. On Coffee Talk, all right? Be the sunshine in someone else's day. Thank you so much for hanging out.